This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. You guys, now let's shift to the gold market as usual. Well, the gold market situation is very similar to the euro currency, but not in terms of the taking out of the previous highs, but in terms of the retracement and action in the short-term period. Maybe we're speaking only about the today trading session, maybe today and Monday, but in the short-term perspective, market really could show some retracement to the downside as well as on the euro currency. In general, if you take a look at this area, we will see that market stands at the support. This was retracement right to the weekly pivot support 1 and nearest fib support 1283. Well, we have discussed a lot this situation, and take a look what market has formed. That is morning star pattern. 3 candle patterns are almost perfectly looking. Well, this candle is greater than that one. We only do not see the gaps with this small candle between this one, but that very rare could be seen. But in general, this action is very impressive on the gold market, and that pattern really could be the one that give us a hint on the potential for the upward continuation. So market really could continue move higher. Also take a look that market has hit the weekly pivot point. Now it's testing it and shows the bounce from it to the downside. And the final moment here is that recall what does it mean when the market retraces to the weekly pivot support 1 and weekly pivot support 1 holds retracement down. It means that that the upward trend on the daily time frame is still intact. So this is upward trend on the gold market on the daily time frame. If weekly pivot support 1 holds the retracement within the longer term upward trend, market holds the retracement here and bounce to the upside, this tells us that this trend hasn't been broken yet. If market suddenly was broken below it, in this case we could say that probably yes, this trend has failed since market passed through the weekly pivot support 1. That's the bearish sign, but that's not the case now. Market still holds here, shows the bounce, shows the bullish pattern, bullish candlestick pattern, and at least in the short-term perspective, we could see some at least minor upward continuation. Maybe this will become the further upward continuation. I can't say it definitely, although we count on it based on our long-term analysis. But in short-term perspective, appearing with such pattern suggests just some continuation to the upside in short-term. Well, that we will stick with it. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that market has hit this resistance area, also hit the 618 resistance 1380 from the whole move to the downside. What we could get here, personally, I would like to monitor the possibility of the appearing as well as on the euro currency some bread and butter buy action. For instance, if market will show retracement to the 13 even area, that will be a nice opportunity for bread and butter buy on the 4-hour time frame. Because currently this move to the downside we will treat only as the retracement after completion of morning star pattern on the daily. So when the patterns appears, either morning star, either bullish engulfing or bullish engulfing, very often after the completement market shows some retracement inside of the body of this pattern. The invalidation point of this pattern stands right here, 1272 area. If market will raise this pattern taken out of these lows, in this case we could say that the upward scenario has failed and we should be ready for the deeper downward action. Until that will happen, until pattern holds, we have the chances that upward move could continue. And from that perspective, this is very small thrust, but we have the necessary amount of upward candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles to the upside, That's enough to get the bread and butter trade on the 4-hour gold market. And first level to watch for this potential possible reestablishment of the upward action is 13 even. I don't know whether market will get it today or not, but that is the first major FIB support area, and bread and butter trade suggests that market should meet this support within the 1-3 closes below this green line, that is the 3x3 moving average. That is the particular pattern that I will be monitoring in the nearest trading sessions. On the hourly time frame, we'll also see that this is some targets has been hit by the market. That is the 1618 from that pattern, A, B, C bottom, 1618 from the most recent A, B, C, and also this target of this greater A, B, C, D pattern. Okay, so that's also some sort of the agreement around 1380 area FIB support with sorry, it's euro currency with this level 1318. So this is some sort of resistance cluster, or also market has hit this weekly pivot point, so some bounce to the downside could happen. Our conclusion on the gold market is that we should wait a bit and starting to think about the potential long entry around 13 even area, depending on how market will get it. If it will be gradual move down, some ABCD action to the downside, well, that will be just great. We could try to get the long position, because the appearing of the morning star should give us some upward continuation. Maybe that will be some sort of this ABCD pattern to the upside. Usually this happens in that way. We'll see. But as you can see, the setup is in general almost the same as on the euro currency, but the context a bit different. Euro currency now is challenging the previous highs on the weekly time frame, while gold market is just bouncing from the support area. But intraday charts shows the same action. So on the 4-hour time frame on the euro currency, we also expect some directional, some retracement, some directional, should enable directional pattern. Personally, I count on the bread and butter buy as well as here, and some upward continuation also could follow on the euro currency. So let's see what will happen, because currently, as a gold market, as the euro is not bad markets to watch for, and they give us more or less clear setups that is comfortable to trade.